Here are 5 more short fun facts. 1. The longest hiccuping spree lasted 68 years. A man named Charles Osborne hiccuped continuously for 68 years. 2. Camels have 3 eyelids. They have an extra eyelid to protect their eyes from sand in the desert. 3. A blue whale's tongue weighs as much as an elephant. The tongue of the largest animal on Earth can weigh around 2.7 tons. 4. Some fish communicate by farting. Herring communicate with each other through sound, and one method involves releasing bubbles of air. 5. Octopuses can escape through any hole, larger than their beak. With no bones in their body, octopuses can squeeze through incredibly tiny spaces.